Hi gang, welcome back to the channel. So if you've been meaning to cook afang soup and you don't know where to start from, look no further. I have a special video for you today. The ingredients for this soup include beef. We have some cow skin or pomo to add flavor. Then we have some stockfish. We have periwinkle and also some Scotch bonnet pepper for heat. Like, I like my food really spicy. I also have some Cameroon pepper here for more flavor and more heat. I like my food spicy again. Then we have palm oil, which is also a very important part of this dish. Then some onion to season my beef, and some salt and seasoning cubes. So this is afang or okazi. This is the very important part of this dish. There is no afang soup without these leaves. So basically this is how it looks like when it has not been pounded or sliced. So I got mine fresh like this, then it was chopped and later grounded. Most people tend to take their own home and they process it themselves because the leaf is kind of hard, so you have to like beat it up to get this consistency so you can have like the best results when you cook. So this is water leaf. Water leaf is also very important in this dish, and you have to have like more water leaf than afang because there's a mathematics there. So okay, let's get cooking. Let's start. So in my pot here I have some beef, I have onions, seasoning cubes, and this is me adding salt to it to taste. So I'm going to bring this beef to a boil. For this meal I'm very big on building flavors because building flavors when you cook is actually very important. It gives you like helps you achieve the best result, and just when you cook something in your head and how you envision it to be. So I like to build my flavors. So this is my meat already boiling and getting soft and tender. So I added my stockfish, I added my pomo. Like at this point I'm basically trying to build flavors. Then I added my grinded, roughly blended Scotch bonnet pepper because like I said before, building flavor is very important. So I'm going to allow this cook for some minutes and bring to a boil and just let everything sit with each other and just look good. Then after it's boiled I would add my water leaves. So this water leaf, you can see the water leaf is a lot compared to the quantity of afang I showed you earlier. So adding my water leaf, I'm going to add like more seasoning cubes because I want it to like taste really nicely. Then I added my Cameroon pepper also, and I'm adding palm oil now. Like I said, palm oil is a very important part of this dish. You cannot over emphasize use of palm oil, and please be generous with your palm oil. Be very generous. Then that is my periwinkle also going into the pot, and I'm going to allow this sit for a while for everything to cook together. Then we'll come back to it. At this point you can see the water leaf has drastically reduced in size and it has like cooked down. So I'm just going to give this a really good stir. So as what I was saying about the water leaf and the afang, so if you have like the quantity of afang I showed you earlier, you're supposed to have like 3 times that amount of water leaf because water leaf is like the oxygen to this soup. So you cannot have equal amount of afang and have equal amount of water leaf. Your soup is not going to come out nicely. So at this point I'm adding my blended afang which already had some crayfish in it. So I'm just going to put this here, then give it like a really good mix for everything to like settle into each other. Then I'm going to like keep mixing until I know it is well combined and combined to the best of my ability. And also like I said, be generous with your palm oil. That cannot be overemphasized because if there's not enough palm oil in your afang, it will have like a really draggy taste you would not like. And I would say thank you to my friend Blessing. Blessing is from Akwa Ibom. This is like their specialty, so she gave me this recipe. Thank you, Blessing, I love you. So guys, yes, bringing it to a boil after I added more palm oil because I want my soup to be alive, to be vibrant, and to just taste really beautifully. So after that, I gave it a really good mix, and at this point I just had to like give it some more minute on the heat for it to like cook to my satisfaction. So don't forget that you are cooking a vegetable, so you don't have to overcook. And at this point, our tasty pot of afang soup is ready, guys. Trust me, this soup was very delicious. Give it a try. Hi gang, so I'm going to teach you people how to make eba. Eba is a Nigerian staple we eat with our soup. So most people don't like it, but I'm a big fan of eba. I like eating eba. I like eating swallows generally and Nigerian soups. So this is a spatula or a turning stick. It's used to like make the eba. Then we have some boiling water. This is me adding my boiling water to a bowl because I want to make eba. So the flour you can see here is called gari. It is made from cassava flakes, and this is yellow gari. So during the course of the processing, a bit of palm oil was added to it. That's why it has the yellow coloring. But we also have the white one too. So it just depends on your preference. But my own particular preference for eating swallow is the yellow gari. So after adding the gari and water, you cover it for some minutes for it to boil for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then after that, you start mixing. Like you mix like your life depends on it, because it really does. It gives you, when you mix it properly, like by turning it, it gives you like the most fluffy, you know, smooth and really nice eba. This is me just being overly dramatic now. But Nigerians know it's just eba. But for those that don't know, so this is eba made out of gari. You can do more research on that or ask me questions in the comment section. So at this point, if you are confused, you can ask me questions in the comment section and I'll be there to answer your questions. So this is me plating my soup and my eba, guys. This meal was the bomb. Like after I finished eating this meal, I slept off. Like I slept for like 3 hours to show you that it was really wonderful. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Ciao.